That's all the top updates from the ground. Arawat, I'll be coming back to you, but we have to move ahead to one very, very bizarre remark which has come in, where the Congress Jammu and Kashmir chief has taken a U-turn after a huge backlash on his comment on Pahalgam attack. Earlier, he has said that India should hold talks with Pakistan and not war. That is right. Let's go ahead, viewers, and play out how our colleague Gursimran has been on the ground and has been getting these statements and has done a confrontation with the Congress chief there.
आपकी तरफ से जो पाकिस्तान वाला स्टेटमेंट दिया गया था उसके लिए आप क्या कहेंगे?
Don't try to misinterpret.
क्या कहा गया था, आप वो बता दीजिए, आपकी तरफ से क्या कहा?
Misinterpret. My tweet, my statement is self-speaking. You please consult that. And please don't try to misinterpret.
सर, आपके ऑन कैमरा तो एक स्टेटमेंट ही आया है, अभी क्या स्टेटमेंट आप वो बता दीजिए.
ऑन कैमरा भी है, प्रेस में भी है, सोशल मीडिया पे भी है, ट्वीट भी है. Just go through that and don't try to divide the country. मुल्क ने इस वक्त जो एक यूनानिमिटी दिखाई है, पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों ने जो एक यूनानिमिटी दिखाई है, all the political parties have shown their wisdom. Please don't try to vitiate the situation.
सर, आपका क्या स्टैंड है, आप वो बताइए ना कि आपने क्या कहा. ये बात तो है ही नहीं कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को.
वही है जो राहुल गांधी जी का स्टैंड है. And he has said that we are with the union, we are with the government. Whatever the actions, no one has talked about the talks. So don't try to.
सर, आप नहीं कह रहे टॉक्स के लिए पाकिस्तान के?
I have never said that. I have never said that.
Sir, please clarify.
I have said whatever I have said, that is in the press, that is in the media, that is on my tweet.
Sir, don't you
So
think that it's an insult to all those who have lost their lives, those innocent lives, those 26 tourists?
If you are attributing it to me, then I am saying with very strong words that I have never said it, and don't try to vitiate the situation in the country.
Simple sir.
The country, you are trying to put words in my mouth. I am telling you no.
एक सिंपल सवाल है, उसमें गुस्सा होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है.
No,
सिंपल नहीं.
Please don't try to put words in my mouth.
आप इसी.
I have made clear this thing that if you want to see what is my stand, go to the statement, go to the tweet, and that statement is my statement is what.
आपसे स्टेटमेंट ही पूछ रहे थे, आपसे सर स्टेटमेंट ही पूछा जा रहा था. आपका स्टेटमेंट क्या है, उसके अलावा तो किसी ने पूछा ही कुछ नहीं है.
Our statement, my statement is whatever. I have reiterated what Rahul Gandhi ji has said, and he has said that we should be seen as in unison with the government of India. Whatever, don't speak about what and not what. And he has said whatever the government of India feels good for the integrity of the country, we are with the government.
एक आपका ही बाइट आया था जिसमें आपने कहा पाकिस्तान से बात होनी चाहिए टेबल पे.
Don't try to vitiate the. I have said what you asked. I have said it. So not beyond that. Not beyond that. We have condemned it in the strongest possible words. Now don't try to vitiate the situation. I am telling you, requesting you again and again.
तो सर पाकिस्तान वाला कोई
no ifs and buts in it. Whatever Rahul Gandhi has said, entire nation is with that. Entire nation is with the.
सर, आप पाकिस्तान से बातचीत को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं?
No, I am not.
देखिए, कश्मीरी कोई भी जंग के हक में नहीं है. वो किसी भी किस्म की हॉस्टिलिटी के हक में नहीं है. पिछली जितनी भी जंगें हुई हैं उसका पहला कैजुअलिटी कश्मीरी होता है. जम्मू कश्मीर बैटल ग्राउंड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. वी डोंट endorse any type of hostility. हम दोनों मुल्कों से, not as the congressman, not as the Congress chief, but as a Kashmiri, I request both sides to keep their cool. With folded hands, I request both sides. And when I say I represent these sentiments of hundreds and thousands of people, that they should keep their cool and something should be sorted. Whatever has to be done across the table. They should sort it out and should see that both the countries should not be pushed to devastation.
Yes, let's go across to my colleague Gursimran, who has confronted the Jammu and Kashmir Congress chief multiple times. And Gursimran, after Republic raised a very point which is completely right, which when we said that when the Congress supported the government when it comes to after the all-party meeting and the action the government will take, why is the Congress saying things like peace talks and going soft in Pakistan? And now we see that the Congress chief has done a big U-turn. He's even denying saying that he had said that we should have peace talks with Pakistan, Gursimran.
See, this was an uncalled for controversy that the Congress party has invited by the statement of its chief Tariq Hamid Kara. Reason being, you see the proceedings of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. Even the parties like People's Democratic Party, National Conference, those who have always batted for the talks with Pakistan, today they stand firm. The statement that has come on the floor of the House by the PDP MLA Wahidur Rahman Para, in which he has hailed the patience that has been shown by the Hindu community as well as Muslim community in the Kashmir Valley after this attack. He said that this terror attack was aimed for a religious divide in the Jammu and Kashmir, but that has been thwarted by the people of country. At the time when such high grounded statements are needed, the Congress party chief has come out with a statement asking for talks with the Pakistan. That was not needed because even the Congress party...
Yes, Gursimran, I'll be coming back to you. I will coming back to you right now because one more, I repeat, one more Congress MLA has given a clean chit to terrorists. After we saw those comments coming in from Congress leaders, one more Congress MLA has jumped in, and this time it's Vijay Vaditewar. He says